Hi, just a little follow-up video. I've set up another one facing east, and you start that one by just typing env manager east. The other thing that I had to do once I got two of them working, pulling out the same storage system, is like with the Tekkit stuff and when I use the retrievulator, you need to put something in the retriever so that it doesn't take anything else. So if you don't have anything in the retriever, let's say that crystal isn't in there, and this asks for 6 gold, so it's going to ask for 6 gold, and there it's pulling it out. What would happen is it would just go into this retriever and then into this project table, because if there's nothing in here, it can take absolutely anything, and it's the nearest thing. It's the nearest valid destination. So yes, I mean, you can use anything you like. I'm using these crystals. I find them completely useless, apart from filling up barrels, so I just put one in any barrel that I don't know what I'm going to put in, so it's not a valid destination. And I'm using it in here as well. So in the program, there's a variable at the top of the program. I'll just show you the variables actually. So there we go. So edit. So you can see at the top there's a variable called period. That's how many seconds between each check. I've got it at 5 at the moment. I'll probably set it to 10 when I actually activate these for real, but for testing 5's good. Timeout is the number of seconds it will wait when it actually asks to retrieve something. This will need setting dependent on how big the your item storage system is. If it's very large, then you need to set the timeout higher, because it will take a long time potentially for some things to get to the project table. And the next thing, this is the stop. This is the ID of an item that will indicate stop taking any items. So I'm using quartz crystal, which is ID 221, and that works very well for me. Yeah, so when you initialize, the crystal really needs to be in the buffer chest, the memory chest. So I don't know if I'm going to use the initialize function that much really, but it's kind of nice just to be able to kind of set out, right, this is what I want in my project table, go to the computer and say env manager init. Yeah, so that's the that's the issues that I found after the last video, and as I say, just env manager east, north, or west. You don't need to type env manager south, that's the default, just because that happened to be the way I built my first one. Okay, well, I hope people get some use out of this, and you can see here that I've done the redstone rather than the red power alloy wire. It sits quite happily on top of these covers. It's absolutely brilliant. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Cheers, bye.